What up guys, welcome back to a new video, and today what I want to do is I want to kind of go through my day-to-day trading activities and how I start off my day. So right now, before the stock market opened, before basically my time at the moment, and I only trade American stocks because there's a lot of volume there. There's a lot of people attracted to American stocks from all over the world. So what I want to do is I want to kind of go through the computer in a few minutes and show you what I look for and how I pick my stocks on day-to-day basis, so you can do the same. And I'm going to show you basically a strategy that works, 99% profitable trading strategy that I've showed you in many times in my videos, and I kind of want to explain it to you in more details once again, so you guys can minimize your losses and make profits, because that's why I'm showing you these videos. That's why I'm here for you. So let us go through the computer. So I just got my coffee, guys, before the stock market opens. At the moment, there's 2 hours left until the stock market opens, so I'm not going to be here to trade for you, but have a look at the rest of the videos. I'll have a link at the end of the video for that video where I show you live demonstration and how to trade. I'm going to have to do this without actually showing you my trades, but I'm going to show you the strategy that works, and for those that watched my videos previously will understand how this works. So if you're a beginner, intermediate, and you've kind of looking for these videos on how to day trade and you haven't found a profitable strategy just yet, I'm going to show you, and I'll kind of show you how I do my trades as well. So 2 hours before the stock market opens, what we do is we go look for stocks that are about to move today, okay, before the stock market opens. And what stocks are about to move? Those stocks are basically, we look for catalysts. That's what's going to affect the stock to shoot up in value. We don't look at trends. I don't look at charts. The chart is the last thing I look at. And every trader, professional trader, will look at charts, the last thing. So we look at the catalyst, something that will affect the stock, a piece of news, an article that is related, that most traders will look for this article, so it's not just you, and most traders will go on the side of the article, whether it's good or whether it's bad. Without further ado, let us begin, guys. I'm going to go to the computer and we're going to start. So I'm wearing this headphone because I want basically the quality of the sound to be good. So I look stupid, don't I? So basically, guys, we're going to go through our day-to-day activity. This is plus 500. I told you guys not to use plus 500 before. I used to use it, now I don't, because it just messes up. So as an example, I'm going to use it because that's what I have active at the moment. I do have a little bit of equity here and some money in there, but I'm waiting to take everything out, so I don't really use it. I use that for holding stocks, really. But again, don't use that. You can use other brokers such as DeGiro or commission-free brokers that don't charge you for overnight holdings. I might use this on day-to-day basis, just because I have this account is just euro for me, but I have another account of just dollars. So in order to trade stocks, guys, we will need a catalyst, like I said, something that will move a stock higher. So we still have 2 hours to go. So in order for me to find those stocks that I want to trade today, I'm going to look for something that will move a stock higher today or lower. So what is that thing that will move a stock higher or lower? And I've told you this before. It's an earning report. On daily basis, there's an earning report released. So on daily basis, there's stocks being moved higher or lower significantly, big spikes by $5 or so. So basically, like I said, I trade American stocks only, US stocks. So let's type in NASDAQ earning reports or calendar. Okay, just Google it, simple as. Now we scroll down and we can just go earning calendar here on the NASDAQ, because that's what I trade. Now, you have a list here of stocks. Okay, so this is the list here, guys. You can see we've got, let's see what's being released. So you can see a lot of companies being released here, guys, today, the 20. So let me just put this at the top. So you can see that these companies here, all of them will be releasing something today. But we don't trade just any company. We have to trade a stock that is popular, a stock that will basically generate volume on the day. So let's see which is a popular stock. And you have to be actively knowing this from your research, obviously. So we have Fold. I've given you this company before. It's a penny stock. This stock will, most traders will short this stock if it comes out um, with a minus figure. So let's just look for a stock here that is popular that we're going to trade. I need to sneeze, but I'm trying to hold it here. There we go. Monster Beverage Corporation, MNST. This stock, guys, Monster Beverages, you know what Monster Beverages are. MNST. So that is the stock I'm going to trade. Why? Because it's popular. It's famous. People are going to trade this stock today. So let's have a look at MNST. So what we do is go back to Google, MNST stock. Okay? And you can see that people have shorted it yesterday because they thought it would come back. They didn't. People that had held Monster Beverages are shorting it because they think it's gonna be basically, um, it's gonna be popular. Or sorry, they're shorting it because they believe. What did I say? See, I just hit the camera and I kind of people are shorting Monster Beverages because the people that have held on, those are the ones that are selling their positions. And some shorters basically believe that Monster Beverages will come out with a bad earning report, such that they're gambling before the earning report. Uh, so this is what would happen if it does come out with a good earning report, a big spike, okay? And if it does come out with a bad earning report, then we'll have a spike like this, down. So if it's a good earning report, met analyst expectation, showed growth, and good guidance, then it will spike like this. If it's a bad earning report, missed sales, missed analyst expectation, bad guidance regarding the future, then it will spike like this. Wow, it is really stoned. It will come down like this. So now that we found out the stock we want to trade, now it's for us to wait for the earning report to come out. So here we can come down to Monster Beverage Corporation and click on it. And then we find out is expected to report earnings after market close. So that's why I say make sure to have pre-market and basically after-market trading, so you can get in when they release that news. Usually this is before the market opens, but sometimes most stocks have after the market closes. So for me, if I analyze the company straight away, analyze the report straight away, I'm gonna buy it. If it's good, if it's bad, I'm gonna sell it. So let's have a look at what the report looks like. So we're gonna go to Monster Beverages website, MNST website. And we're going to have a look at basically reports that they have released. So here, press release, okay? Financial information, you can't see it, but I'm going to click on it. And you've got statement, current report. Okay, so financial information, and they have quarterly reports and annual reports. We look at quarterly reports. And before I begin, let's go back here. So the report will be for the fiscal December 2017, so that's last year. So this is what the analysts expect. 37. If they miss 0.37 and come out, let's say, with 0.330, that means they missed the basically analyst expectations, earning per share. So the last quarter was 35. If they beat last quarters of 35, that's okay. If they miss this analyst expectation and match this, then this isn't going to be great news for the company. But sometimes when they do meet basically the analyst expectations and the reports, then the stock will still spike. So let's go back here. So fourth quarter 2016, or wow, it's really snowing. Sorry, I got distracted. Third quarter 2017. So make sure not to listen to this. So on the day when they're releasing it, they will have a webcast or a podcast. But make sure, because on the day they will have a podcast and also release the PDF on their website. So just look at the website because it's faster. They'll release it on the website. So here is what a report looks like. So net sales for 2017 increased increased. Okay, that's what you need to be looking at. Increased 15.4% from this to this. Okay, from 788 million to 909 million. That's good news. Gross sales for 2017 increased 14% to billion. That's also good news. And then you have here earning per share. They usually have it here, guys. Where did we go? Increased. Everything is increased here, guys. And remember, Coca-Cola actually has a stake in Monster Beverages. The Coca-Cola, which included the various energy drinks brands acquired from the Coca-Cola company, increased 6.2%. So everything is increased. And what happened to the stock, guys? I will show you what happened after that report. Well, this is here is what happened to that report after they came out. That was 3 months ago. February. This was here January. Boom. So this is what happened. $5 in a single day when they came out with the report. When was the report released? Let's have a look. The report was released on the third quarter net sales. So this is also what you need to be looking at. So this report was released November 8th. Okay. November 8th. We go back to November 8th. What is this? That's November 30th, 1 year. November 8th. Boom. November 8th, guys. Okay. Now look at it. $10 increase. Okay. So November 8th, this is what happened in November 8th when they released it. It was trading at 58, I believe. Spiked to $4 in a single day. And just like always, there's always a pullback. So that's what we're going to do. And that's the way we should look at things, guys. Have a look at what I said here and do your own research when doing the analysis regarding this company before the stock market opens, because that's how we make money. It's based on this. It's not based on candlesticks. It's not based on technical indicators. It's based on fundamentals. That's what's gonna attract volume to this company, guys. So just be careful when taking advice. And you have to have sticky fingers. You have to be quick on the day. Get in, take profit, and get out quick, quick, quick. No time for greed in this game, boys. No time for greed. And that's the way we do it, guys. Hopefully you understood the report and how I analyzed the report. Everything has to show growth. Everything has to basically meet analyst expectations. Beats last year quarterly report. If it doesn't, then the stock most likely is going to go down in value. If it does, then buy it. But make sure you look at the guidance they give for the future. Even if they met analyst expectation, they will have bad guidance. If the guidance is bad, basically it will be in the earnings report also. If it's good guidance where they say they expect this, that, and to beat this figure in the common earning report, then investors are going to have hope. They're going to jump in. They're going to buy it. This is a growing company. And make sure you only trade popular stocks, guys, popular companies, not these companies here, because volume won't be, basically, there won't be any volume attraction to it. And that's what you need. Volume is the key here, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you want more videos, let me know in the comment. I haven't made any videos like this in a while, so hopefully you guys enjoy this. I'll see you again, just like always.